Hello, I have decided to do my discussion board this week on the third scenario with John Burns and his interest in teaching his Introduction to College Writing course online. We were supposed to talk about why is it necessary for John to determine resources available at distant sites when preparing to teach at a distance. So I think some key resources he needs to be prepared to think about is the hardware. Do students have access to the hardware that they're going to need for his class to take it online? Same way with software, the word processing software. Some kids might use Google, some might use Word. What are they using, and it needs to be streamlined, so it needs to be clear what they need to have. He needs to be pre-planned for contingencies. So if something comes up and his software or hardware or the video system isn't working right, what's he going to do? That's a resource he needs to have and be prepared for the kids to know and have resources on hand for that. He also needs to make sure the students have the materials on hand that they're going to need for his class. So he'll need to set that up in the syllabus from the get-go, what they're going to need, how they're going to get what they need, and what will help them be successful in the class. And there's one resource that I think could be overlooked, but it's talked about in our Teaching and Learning at a Distance book, is the ease of the communication with the instructor. The students are going to need to know the best way to get a hold of him, his email address, by phone, whatever that is. They need to be able to get a hold of him easily so that they can get their questions answered in a decent time frame. I liked how Dr. Holderman said it should be a good experience. Like, yeah, in our presentation, that the class should be a good experience, whether they really enjoy the content or not. The class overall should be a good experience. That's my feedback for this week.